Oh, hello. This is Maillikarjun Koripadu. I'm having experience of around 11 years, about 11 years of experience with various domains such as manufacturing and supply chain management and uh, banking and finance. And then now I'm currently working with the clinical research organization, which is a pharmaceutical organization where I'll be working as a process excellence manager. The context that I'm going to talk about now is around what is the importance of Lean Six Sigma or the Six Sigma importance in the manufacturing, the organizations. Um, the glaring examples of many corporations having saved billions of dollars are true to benefit, but the intangible results, such as having met the expectations of customers and being able to improve employee satisfaction or the relations, are also paramount. Because some corporations have experienced its failures to meet standard stated goals. Some critics often raise questions about the feasibility of implementing Six Sigma in the organizations, while still others are dismissing it plainly. Obviously, in most of all cases, the reasons of Six Sigma failure have been external factors such as wrong or misguided selection of this set of tools, the lack of application, and the lack of support from top management. It is important to keep in mind that the successful implementation of Six Sigma requires a top-down and a bottoms-up approach in any organization. To be honest, Six Sigma is all about eradicating business problems. So the business problems involves rational thinking. Somehow, companies always found themselves compromising quality with problem solving, which is the main reason why companies decide to implement Six Sigma and also support Six Sigma implementation either by consulting or by introducing their own quality functions deployment within the organization. A lot of other support from sources was also taken to implement and deploy the Lean Six Sigma concepts in organizations to meet the customer's satisfaction and the loyalty and retain the customers by delighting the customers on a regular basis. Here, the top-down approach, as I mentioned, of a Six Sigma requires dedication and application at all levels of the organization, and it is a continuous basis. Most of the organizations, for example, I can mention a couple of organizations which they introduced, and because of the lack of proper tools usage and proper top-down and bottoms-up approach lacking, it's failed in most of the scenarios and they gave up. And again, the organizations look at some other approaches of problem solving to meet the customer loyalty or the customer satisfaction, which looking at either the project management approach or lean approach. But to be frank, I think it's a continuous basis. Once we deploy, and we need to retain and sustain the deployed whatever the deployment happened in past. So emphasis is placed on experimentation, following analysis, and redefining the processes and their goals wherever and whenever based on the need and the customer's requirement and the requests. This is unlikely other quality assurance methodologies, but it is going to be a very good and successful tool or the method, the approach which can retain the customer's loyalty on a high level and also improves and sustain it and also delight the customers on a regular basis. How is it going to benefit? It is going to give us maybe two benefits I'm going to mention here, which is financial benefits, such as cash flow increases due to certain creation of additional revenue. Say for example, if I'm taking an example of inventory management. In inventory management, the more the inventory, the more the cash inflow. I mean, I'm actually holding the cash. So unless until I maintain my inventory at a lower side, I cannot really use my cash. I mean, my cash is completely blocked because of my inventory. So maintaining and having a required inventory definitely will improve my financials. So my cash flow increases. So definitely my revenues also increases because I can invest that much of the cash which is inflow in other business or other place. Whereas the second benefit which I was talking about is maybe the operational benefits. How is it going to help? The Six Sigma is it's a success in waste reduction and the redundancy. So waste reduction is measured in terms of improving time, product movement, and decreasing material consumption. Say for example, if I'm looking at in service organizations or in the manufacturing environment, the movement and the transportation. So how do I reduce as much as possible so that my operational benefits are seen and visualized and also measured by some other benefits. So say for example, in the service organizations, I'm actually waiting for something like there are 7 wastes, as we know. If we can target those wastes and also improve the redundancy, I can operationally benefit, and also I can improve my customer satisfaction by providing the services on time, and employee satisfaction because I am reducing the redundant activities, and also reducing the non-value add activities which are the wastes in nature. Conceptually, the benefits of implementation of Six Sigma or the deployment of Six Sigma emerge from breaking the mindset that product processes are invariable. This requires a change or the perception change, and there's a shift required of the mindset. And the result of this methodical approach to quality management is evidenced by reduced fluctuation in processes. Stability of this kind triggers a series of positive chain reactions within organizations, and this flows from one department to other department, and if required, it's going to be applied in across the domains wherever it is feasible. Since Six Sigma methodology encompasses the entire process of doing the business, it is likely to show a flaw here or there, such as companies that embraced Six Sigma have found out. However, small in number, there is the failures. Maybe they are all due to different reasons. Those might be internal or external or dependent. That's where the investigation and it'll help us in identifying and eliminating those risks. Another reason for the ever increasing popularity and importance of Six Sigma is that it really helps when it comes to handling competition, which is increased considerably in today's business competitive world. Business organizations worldwide have realized that in order to beat the competition, they will have to offer better quality products or services to their customers, and that too at competitive and reduced prices or the rates. I personally feel Six Sigma helps in this achieving because it enables business organizations to achieve the above stated objectives, which ultimately results in greater customer satisfaction and helps in building customer loyalty, which is a key for any business to sustain in the market for longer duration. Six Sigma is anticipated to maintain its dominance over all other existing quality improvement techniques because it is flexible and can be altered to suit the requirements of new business that might come up in the near future, or it is planned. So accordingly, there are opportunities for us to customize the requirement and then make the customer satisfy and delight. We can never be too sure that the future, but as far as the present is concerned, Six Sigma is certainly calling the shots across all type of industries worldwide. So to conclude, I think Six Sigma will definitely make customers satisfied, delighted, and made available and continue the business for long times, which is the need for any organization to continue and retain in the business. Thank you.